You won't believe how tasty this chicken breast recipe is. So juicy, so easy. For today's recipe, we'll need 3 chicken breasts. Cut them the way I'm showing you here, into even pieces to ensure they cook evenly. Make sure they're fresh and of good quality, as this will make all the difference in the final flavor. By the way, I'd love to know, what country are you watching me from? Let me know in the comments. Season the chicken with half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of paprika. Take your time to mix the seasonings into the chicken well using your hands. This ensures every bite is flavorful and delicious. In a skillet, drizzle a little olive oil, add a tablespoon of butter, and let it melt over medium heat. The combination of olive oil and butter will give the chicken a golden, crispy finish. Place the chicken breasts in the skillet and let them brown on both sides for about 15 minutes. Flip them gently to avoid breaking the pieces. Set them aside for now and cover them lightly to keep warm. In the same skillet, add 1 chopped onion, 3 minced garlic cloves. Stir well and let everything saute until golden and fragrant. Add half a cup of water to deglaze the pan, scraping up all the flavorful bits stuck to the bottom. Then pour in the juice of 1 lemon, 3 tablespoons of finely chopped green onions, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of heavy cream, and half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Mix everything well until the sauce is smooth and creamy. Now add the chicken we set aside earlier. With a spoon, generously pour the sauce over the chicken to coat it completely. This step ensures the flavors soak into the chicken. Cover the skillet and let it cook on low heat for 10 minutes. The low heat will help the chicken absorb all the delicious flavors of the sauce. And our chicken is ready. The smell is absolutely amazing. You're going to love this recipe. Look how flavorful and juicy it turns out. Just perfect. Thank you for keeping me company today, and I'll see you in our next video. Enjoy.